Distinguished participants and guests of the Digital Earth Moscow Summit. A great honor for me to welcome you to Russia, an active participant of the Digital Earth community. I would like to start with a quote from an outstanding thinker, and I will even make it the epigraph of my short speech. Josiah Royce, in the first volume of his book, The World and the Individual, formulated the following. Let's imagine that a portion of the soil of England has been leveled off perfectly, and that on it a cartographer traces a map of England. The job is perfect. There is no detail of the soil of England, no matter how minute, that is not registered on the map. Everything has there its correspondence. This map, in such case, should contain a map of a map, which should contain a map of the map of the map, and so on to infinity. This is nothing more than introspection or self-reflection. The country looks into itself through its precise map. Let's extend the thought experiment to the whole Earth. But one small detail prevents us. It's impossible to stick a flat map on the globe without cutting and crumbling the sheet, and vice versa. You can't translate the globe into an exact flat map. This means that a flat map cannot be accurate. So we moved from cartography to neogeography, including digital Earth, which is exactly what we are looking for. Let's continue our thought experiment and imagine a similar process, not on the map, but on the whole Earth, on digital Earth. Any digital fragment contains the same fragment at a different scale, which in turn contains a fragment at a different scale. This is a mechanism for implementing for scale-independent nature of the digital Earth. The augmented digital Earth will contain a model of digital Earth with which it interacts, realizing itself, talking to itself. It will already be a reflexive digital Earth. It's convenient to start creating a reflexive model of digital Earth using the example of Russia. Indeed, Russia is a complex, what is more, sophisticated federation. Federation members themselves have a complex structure consisting of parts. Russia really needs to look into itself, reflect on its structure, see how each entity is connected to others at different levels by economic ties. It will be able to do this using the digital Earth methodology. Why is reflexive digital Earth so important to the world? This year is the year of COVID pandemic. That's why we were going online. And I am afraid that this separation will continue throughout the next year. The world has already changed. It's more fragmented than it was a year ago. And in order to make it easier for all countries to move back, it's necessary to reflect on each other. How to do it? It seems to me that for this purpose, it's necessary to include the reflexive digital Earth in the topology of the World Wide Web. Thanks for your attention. I wish you all productive work.